Yes, hi, my name is Maurice, the Crochet Master. And yes, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Hair by Clippers, and I would like to welcome you that welcome. So if it's your first time, please just make it a point by clicking on that red button, ring the bell, because you know, when I'm here, we just have to learn. Yes, there's some video that is trending right now of the some hairstyle that I did, and you know, as I told you that we have to mix the two channels, because sometimes I do the videos, and since I want you guys to learn, I find it is very long if I try to put all those other things. So I've decided to be like, let's make topics of the weave-ons on this channel, and maybe we can try to compare, and when we mix them together we shall be able to learn. So this time around, there's that video that was trending, and it's about the wonder twist. Yes, I call them wonder twist because now, like, the way I got the idea of doing it was really interesting, and people are there in my comment section asking me the things that I always use. And this time around, this is the place that I always want to tell you what is happening and what that I always use when I do these kind of hairstyle. So when it comes to the wonder twist, number one, I would like to tell you, it is as you can see it, the way it looks, it's a twist that is very big. Like, the twisting is very big, though if you want to make it small, but now we're talking about the real exact style because it's what they've been asking me. So what I would say, that the person with short hairlines, when I say that, that means there's that hairline that is in front, the front hairline. If you have short hairline in front, you should not try this kind of hairstyle, because trust me, in only a few days it will come out. When I say someone with short hairline, I believe you understand what I'm trying to say, that if you have short hairline, those ones with broken hairline in front, it's always very hard when you're trying to do like a hair with those big boxes. You understand what I'm trying to say? So I would advise you guys that if you want to try these wonder twists, make sure at least you have good hairline in front. Like, your hair should be at least longer, not like when it's broken it won't work out. If I try to explain here, is that their boxes are very big, so you cannot hold a big box. Like, let's say like this one, if the hair is very short. You understand what I'm trying to say? So that means the hair is supposed to be at least it's a bit longer, so that you can have that that wonder twist. So either way, if you want to have it, maybe if it's in the small sizes, you can have it, but if it's the exact style that you want, trust me, you won't do it when you have short hairline. Yes. Number two, to those ones with relaxed straight hair, you can still have it, and those ones with natural hair, you can still do that hair. So it's not like it's for only natural hair or it's only for straight hair. No, you can still have the wonder twist. So now we're going to our point number three, and this one is the oil and the gel that I always use. Those ones I told you that I always use the molding gel, and this is how it looks like. So the molding gel, you can have it, I don't know how you which country you're in, but if you just type on Google, you can find the molding gel and they can deliver it to you. So that is the thing that I always want to use, the molding gel. And I always tell you that the importance of that gel is that for it collects all the hair together. So by the time because when you play it using that, it keeps on melting. So by the time it melts, already the hair is already firm with the extension. So that's why I always want to use the molding gel. So I think you're getting what I'm trying to say. So number four, it would be the material, the weave-on that I always use. So This time around here in I would like to, those ones who know the freedom piece, it's called, the hair piece is called freedom. Sometimes this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like, the freedom. So those ones who would like to learn that, you can use it. And I know the freedom hair piece, all the it is the mambo twist in that hairpiece, hairband, but this is how it looks like. So those ones who have the freedom twist, they can have it like this, and then when you have to do it, just have to separate it like this. You understand? You just have to separate it. So when you separate it, this is how it looks, and then you start twisting it. So it is very, very simple, and this is how it looks. This is how it looks, and then you start plaiting. So those who have been asking me about the weave on, it's in the freedom I don't know, the freedom piece. Try to search it there, you will try to see it. So this is how it looks. And those twists, the crochet twists that always come when they're already twisted, try to, you know, sometimes I don't always want to give you that very thing, because we just have to be creative. So you just have to learn, you just have to be creative in everything. So if you have something like this in a twist format, like it's already twisted like this, still you can be able to do it like the way you have seen it. Lastly, I would like to share with you the ant itchy that I always use. This ant itchy that I always use is, you always see me, like I apply it whenever I finish doing my my braiding. It is very, very nice. This is how it looks, and it made for us from the Shane Plus Cosmetics Limited. So this is how it looks, and it is here. We have it here. So if you want it, I can deliver this to you, and trust me, you will love it. It helps the anti-itchy and dandruff, and I've been using these for a while and has done it for me. So if you want it, it's in all sizes. We have the small one and this one, then this is the biggest. So those are the things that I would like to share with you. Yes, and something else that you need to know about the Wonder Twist, that is the duration. Somebody is going to ask me the duration of that hair. For that one, I wouldn't say, but what I know, at least 3 to a month, 3 weeks to a month. But it depends, like the way I told you, that those people who have got good hairlines in front when the hair is real long, so that one is always perfect. Somebody can stay with it in a month. And then the maintenance also matters, because sometimes we do hairstyles and you find someone, the way you maintain it can make it to fade or can make it to come out. So I would always advise you guys, like when it comes to maintaining your hair, like try to listen to your hairdresser, how they're telling you, your stylist, how they're telling you to maintain that hair, because sometimes it's what that causes all that. So if you want to know about the duration, me, I would think it can be like 3 to 1 month accordingly, because but what I know about 1 month is enough for that Wonder Twist. So those ones who have been asking me that, please, that's how it is. And I would like to shout out to everyone who is watching me wherever you are. Thank you so much for loving me, Maurice, the crochet master, and still saying thank you so much for loving our salon, that is Hair by Clippers. Please, you can still follow it on Instagram, Hair by Clippers, Twitter, Hair by Clippers, Facebook, Hair by Clippers. You know why I like that? In that, when you go and follow that, like on our pages like Instagram, that those pictures that you see of hairstyle that we always do. So like if you see them, it can be easily for you, like one day when I come back here, you can still go in my comment section, you tell me about the style that you saw, and then I come and explain to you how it's supposed to be, how you're supposed to treat it, and how you're supposed to maintain it. So that is the only way that we're going to maintain our hair to grow, and then we have it all. So for now, I'm going to sign out, but remember one thing is, Maurice loves you so much, and don't forget to subscribe. That is the main thing. And then go in my comment section right there. Please write a comment that you want me to tell you, that you want to learn together. I like sharing ideas. I like being friendly people. So let me sign out. Bye bye.